Hey, this is me, and you're listening to another episode of Listen While You're on the Road. Whether you're driving, walking, or simply navigating one of those long, quiet days, I'm here with words I once needed, and maybe today they're meant for you too. So take a breath and let's travel this road together. Maybe you're holding onto something right now, a memory, a hope, a version of someone who no longer exists. It's okay to grieve what never became. It's okay to feel the ache of almost. But just because something felt right doesn't mean it was meant to last. You don't have to carry the weight of everything that didn't stay. Sometimes love shows up only to teach us how deeply we are able to feel. And that alone is something sacred. If your heart feels heavy today, if you're wondering why something didn't work out, why someone left, or why it all seems delayed, this is for you. Maybe you're tired of waiting, tired of trying, tired of not knowing. I want to remind you of something soft and powerful. What's meant for you will never miss you. And if it missed you, maybe it wasn't really meant for you. If you're comparing your journey to someone else's, please don't. They're not ahead, you're not behind. You're just on different roads with different lessons. Life isn't a race, it's not even a straight line. It's okay to bloom later. It's okay to take the long way. What matters most is that you're moving, even if it's slowly, even if it's quietly. I remember once being so sure something was mine, a dream job, a person I thought would stay forever, and then it slipped away. No reason, no closure, just gone. I searched for signs, blamed myself, replayed every word, every scene. But with time, I realized sometimes life removes what we think we need to make space for what we truly deserve. In Persian culture, they say, what belongs you will find its way, even through 7 locked doors. And I believe that with all my heart. You deserve a life that doesn't constantly exhaust you. You deserve connections where you don't have to beg to be understood. You don't need to fight so hard for what's meant to find you. There's something so powerful about letting life come to you. Not because you are passive, but because you are finally trusting that what's real won't require you to break to keep it. We live in a world obsessed with speed. If it hasn't happened yet, maybe it never will. But what if delay is not denial? What if it's divine preparation? Maybe the love you're waiting for is still learning how to love. Maybe the door you want to open is still being carved for you. Once Rumi said, try to be like the sun, patient and certain that it will rise again. Maybe your sunrise is just taking its time. Maybe today your trust looks quiet. It doesn't shout. It doesn't rush. It's simply you, still showing up, moving through the day with a little more softness, even when everything feels uncertain. Healing doesn't always look brave or bold. Sometimes it's just choosing to carry on gently. And you don't need to earn peace. You only need to let it in, little by little, breath by breath. I've spent years chasing things: approval, outcomes, clarity, closure. And every time I clung too tightly, they slipped further away. But when I finally let go, when I softened, slowed down, and surrendered, life met me where I was. Letting go isn't weakness, it's trust. Trust that what's meant for you is not afraid of being missed. It knows your name and it's on its way. So, what to do while you wait? Live, laugh, create, rest, love what you have, even as you dream of more. Trust isn't passive, it's presence. Every time you show up in kindness and honesty, you send a quiet message to the universe. I'm ready, I'm becoming, and I promise you, it's listening. So, if you've been holding your breath, waiting for that one moment, that one sign, let this be it. You're not late, you're not broken, you're exactly where you're meant to be, even if it doesn't look like it yet. The people, the timing, the path, it's all finding its way to you, like a river returning home. Take a deep breath, let go of the chase, and remember, what's meant for you will never, ever miss you. And if no one has told you this lately, I see you. I see how hard you try. I see the strength it takes to keep showing up. My space, my words, my voice, they're here for you. Because even if we've never met, I care. And that's why I'm here, doing my small part to help you feel just a little more whole. More whole than before you press the play button. I was once in this same place, sitting in the silence, needing someone to say something, anything, just to help me breathe again. I needed a voice to speak for me when I couldn't, to remind me I wasn't alone. And now, that's why I'm here. That's why I do this. So that maybe today my voice becomes that voice for you. If this very short journey touched something in you today, made you a little lighter, a little more understood, that's beautiful. It means the road we are on together is already working. And if it didn't, that's okay too. I hope I can reach your heart in one of our future travels. Now, tell me, what would you like me to talk about next time I travel with you? Until then, take care of your heart. I will be right here whenever you're ready to press play again.